The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is set to make waves in the mobile technology scene with its unveiling scheduled for October, promising groundbreaking performance with its Orin CPU. This chip is the buzz of the tech world, especially after sneak peeks at the Mobile World Congress 2024 in Barcelona. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, following the 8 Gen 3, is expected to power many high-end devices, including a special version for Samsung's Galaxy S25 phones with enhanced clock speeds for optimal performance. Qualcomm's strategic shift to custom Orin CPU cores from ARM cores, coupled with access to TSMC's advanced production processes, positions the company to compete directly with Apple's silicon chips. The official details are to be announced at the Snapdragon Summit in October 2024. Key features of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 include a new cluster structure and clock frequencies reaching up to 4 GHz for prime cores, promising a significant performance boost over its predecessor. Additionally, an enhanced neural processing unit, NPU, aims to keep Qualcomm competitive in the AI space. Initial benchmarking of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 shows promising results, indicating substantial improvements in performance and efficiency. This advancement is crucial for Qualcomm as it continues to innovate and push the boundaries of mobile technology. As for the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, it's set to continue the legacy of its predecessors by offering impressive features at an attractive price point. With an anticipated release around March 2024, the Galaxy A55 is expected to come in several variants and maintain a price below the $500 per €500 mark. Design-wise, it follows the A54's awesome color scheme and features a sleek metal build with rounded corners and a flat display. The Galaxy A55 might feature the latest Exynos 1480 chipset, marking a significant upgrade over the A54's Exynos 1380. Rumors suggest this new chipset will be paired with an AMD-based Eclipse 530 GPU, potentially supporting ray tracing in games. However, camera upgrades seem minimal, with expectations set around maintaining the A54's performance levels. The device is also expected to offer a 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging, Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity, and launch with Android 14 alongside Samsung's One UI 6. This combination hints at a device that not only offers great performance but also a user-friendly experience with the promise of robust software support over its lifespan. As technology continues to evolve, the anticipation for Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Samsung's Galaxy A55 5G showcases the industry's constant pursuit of innovation and improved user experiences.